In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your Epson projector to Wi-Fi. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to turn on your Epson projector. Wait for this screen to appear. From there, we can then open the menu by using our remote control. We can then head over to the network settings. For the third step, we want to enable the wireless LAN. You can just select a wireless LAN, set it on. If asked, you can confirm or continue. For the fourth one, we then want to select the network setup. We want to choose the network configuration or wireless LAN setting. Select infrastructure mode. Basically, this will connect to our Wi-Fi router. For the fifth step, we need to connect to our Wi-Fi network. So you can just select your Wi-Fi name, select your SSD from the list, and from there, you then want to enter the password, confirm the connection, and you should be good to go. Well, I have another method right here, which is to use the projector application on your phone or laptop. So you just want to install the iProjection on your iOS, Windows, Android, or Mac OS. From there, you then want to make sure that the projector is connected to the same Wi-Fi. You can then launch the application and it will auto-detect your projector. You can just tap the select your projector and click on the connect button. Now for the last step, we can do this without the built-in Wi-Fi USB dongle. Some Epson models need a wireless LAN USB adapter like the ELPAP10 and the ELPAP11. We can insert the USB adapter, you can plug it into the projector's USB Type A port, you can turn the projector off and on, and from there, we then want to head over to menu, network, wireless LAN, and we can follow the same Wi-Fi setup steps as shown on the first method right here. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.